We're here at the airport going to the Health Optimization Summit. The cool thing about this trip is that a lot of the people we've interviewed in our career will be at this event. Life is good, but lately it's been on a plane constantly. But I love what we do. I love the people we meet. I love the information we learn. We're in Austin, Texas, baby. We're about to light up this house.
Health Optimization Summit, here we go.
Very important to get first sunlight in the morning to align your suprachiasmatic nucleus, your master circadian clock, with nature. And if you can, as an extra bonus, you get the sunset. How you doing, buddy? Good.
Yeah?
That's what I learned. So whenever we hang out, I'm gonna show you what I learned.
Okay.
I can tell you that in 6 weeks it's been life transformational, brother.
Cool.
How you doing?
Oh, dude, this guy is
Yeah, we know this. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? What's up, How you doing, buddy?
How are you?
How are you, man? Good. This is it. Day of conference. We're gonna get our workout in, and we're also gonna do some neuromechanical therapy after training. All right, let's start always next to the sun, always getting sunlight. I'm just warming up here. The blood flowing, man. Get the lymphatic system working.
MHI 4, 3, 2, 1. Exercise. Technique. You can check out our video.
Next one, I'm adding 30 pounds. So while you focus on 500 pounds on squats, I'm just looking to add weight on one leg. Once again, working on balance, working on that neuromuscular retraining of keeping your instincts and your nervous system very sharp. It's all about training the nervous system, guys.
We can learn a lot from bodybuilders, and there's a value to that, but if you're shooting for longevity and mobility, which is what we lose as we age, bodybuilding is, really short-lived, right?
And now we're gonna take about 2 to 3 hours to walk the booth. And I love walking through the booth because it feels like Toys R Us every time I walk through there. There's always something new you can pick up, a new little gem that you can learn from, and you just never stop learning, man. And that's a goal. Now we're doing precision medicine at its finest.
You're not guessing.
We're not guessing.
You're not guessing,
right? All right, there we go. All right, look at that, boom. Oh shit, but I gotta take off my shirt. Real red light therapy right here. All right. Now you're gonna close it, Anthony, and you're gonna let me go to sleep for the next 10 minutes.
This guy, is he naked in there?
Yeah, he might be.
He might be. You were here. Did you see him get naked?
No, I don't know, bro. I mean, he might be naked.
You got some funny business going back there, bro.
It really changed and calibrated it, like, to help you. When I read the signs, I was like, it's so simple.
Yeah.
Step like that, it's gonna recalibrate so you stand straight.
Yeah, and
When it comes to nitric oxide, there is no better product in the market than N101. Period. End of story.
So if you're not doing it, you're missing out. A lot of people get nervous about talking about testosterone because it's usually been marketed as some kind of performance enhancer or some, virility enhancer. But what we're really talking about is brain health and heart health, right? When you